You can't be a rat or a snitch if you're not in a gang, in the streets, etc. Because that's a street code. That's a made up concept that criminals use. If you're not a criminal, then you're not a rat. Simple as that. Um, because when you're a normal person like when you're a reverend, a prophet, we're meant to tell the truth. We're meant to expose things. We're meant to keep this community safe. We're meant to do our civic duty in order to report things and keep the community safe. So I can't be a rat. I can't be a snitch. Only you guys can if you're from the streets or your family is in the streets with you doing your work, doing your criminal activity. You know what I mean? But a normal person is not a rat or a snitch because that's what they're supposed to do. When you see a normal person in the street, do you just go do criminal activity in front of them and expect them not to sell nothing? No, probably not. You're not that stupid. I'm a normal person. So don't do criminal activity around me and you won't have to worry about it. So if you mad because you set up a prophet or you set up a reverend, blame yourself because you're doo-doo dumb. Because this is what we're supposed to do. Everybody knew I was a prophet. Everybody knew I was a reverend. And you still try to set me up when you knew I'm going to speak up. You don't have no one to blame but yourself. Point blank, period. So you can't get mad at me because I already told everybody, the whole world knew I was a prophet and a reverend and I would speak up. But now you're going to get mad at me because you're stupid? Don't make no sense to me.